Hello everyone! Double Rainbow will teach you how you could create your very own YouTube channel. Sign in on YouTube and click your channel on top. Have a think of a catchy name. We name ours Double Rainbow because the channel is about me and Grace and we're both fascinated by rainbow. So have a think now. Organize and edit your content with Video Maker. First, select a few videos that you want to put together. Do select your videos in order, which will make things a lot easier. Although I will show you how you can move them about in a bit. So when you're ready, click the red arrow to proceed. Now you can click through your videos and have a look at them. Check out they are the ones you want and do some editing. I want to add some text on this video, so I type in yellow, and I also like to add some traditional Chinese writing. I'm able to change the font. There are plenty of choices there, as you can see, and I want to change the color as well into yellow to represent what is written on the words. You can make it bigger, smaller, rotate it. You can have it for as long as you want or as short as you want on this video. Let's have a look at record, where you can have voice over your video. You can also turn down the volume of the original video. There are so many more functions you can have a play with. Have a look. Just a little tip, if you double click, it goes into individual video where you can move them about. You can also choose a video and trim them down. Cut it or split it. Once you edited all these little clips and putting into one big video, you'll be ready to save it. Make sure you're always on the top resolution. Click Save. The longer your video is, the longer it will take for it to convert. Once your video is converted, you're ready to upload on the same app. As you can see the YouTube icon, click on it, and then it will ask you to edit the rest, such as title. Make sure the term you put in is searchable, popular words, or people might try and find it in day-to-day basis. Because the easier for people to find you, the bigger hit you're going to get for this particular video. So thinking cap is on. Let's get lots and lots of views. So to add a thumbnail on PicMonkey, click Edit a Photo. When you're out filming, make sure you take a few pictures with some space on the side so you can put writing. So first of all, we will crop the picture to a YouTube thumbnail size, which has been preset for you. Let's have a look at the effects. There are so many choices, so depending on how you feel about your video, you might have a different color settings of effects that represent your video. Let's add some text. I often, depending on the background of the picture that I picked for the thumbnail, if I have a darker picture, I'll use white writing. And if I have a lighter picture, I'll use possibly black. So black and white is my usual choice because they just stand out. This works very well if you use it like a banner, have it across, or just having it fill the space. Save it. Open the YouTube Studio. Find the video that you want to put the thumbnails in and click the pencil on top. Edit thumbnail. Find the picture that you've just been edited and add it onto your brand new video. Click save. Then you're done. Let's click on the pencil again. Have a look at advanced settings where you can change the audience if your video isn't just made for kids. Let's save it so your video's more or less done, ready to go. Unless you want to upload through YouTube, then you open the app. Click the video recorder on top and select your video to upload. Again, it will just ask you the same thing, such as title. So you put that in. Here's some extra just for you. You go onto YouTube, click on your icon, click your channel. Click on the little dot on the side of your new video and you can save to a playlist. You can add a new playlist for anything like I had fun, learning, education, and you can also choose whether it's a public playlist or a private playlist. So public if you want everybody to find it, private if you want to just keep it to yourself. You can save the video into your chosen playlists. So here's my list of playlists so far. And if you click in one of them, you could share it, you can delete it and edit it as and when you want, because you've got all the control then. You click on each playlist and it shows you what you've got in there. So that's just mainly keeping it all tidy and neat. In your account settings, you will see your notifications. It's completely up to you whether you like comments on your videos or you don't want any comments, and whether you want them to notify you. It's completely up to your own control and choices. There are more information on the top. Okay, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video and leave me any comments if you've got any question, anything for me to answer, and click like if you like the video. Thank you so much. See you soon.